Math time, math time. All right, let's go. Chapter 4, test review number 14. A traveling circus brings along everything it needs for a show in big trucks. Okay. Part A. The circus sets up chairs in rows with 9 seats in each row. So here's a row. There'd be 9 seats in that row. Here's a row. There'd be 9 seats in that row, and so on. How many rows will need to be set up if 513 people are expected to attend the show? Well, two numbers. We got to divide. So we have 513 divided by 9. 9 can't go into 5, but 9 can go into 51. It goes in 5 times. 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract. 51 minus 45 is 6. Bring down the 3. 9 goes into 63 7 times. 7 times 9 is 63. Subtract, and I get 0. So 57 rows. Part B. Can the rows be divided into an equal number of sections? Can they be divided into an equal number of sections? Explain how you found your answer. So they're asking now, can we take 57 and divide it by a number and have an answer or a quotient with no remainder? Okay. So what can we divide 57 by to get no remainder? Okay. And we can't include 1. So 2. Well, if I look at this, I can really look at just the ones place. Can 2 go into 7? No, so I know it's not going to go into 57. What about 3? Now, there's a trick with 3s. If the numbers that you're dividing, so 57 has a 5 and a 7, if you can add the numbers up and get a number that is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. For example, 57 is 5 plus 7, and that equals 12. And 3 can go into 12 evenly, so I automatically know that 3 can go into 57 evenly. So that was pretty easy. I know it's going to be 3, and now I can check it though, and I have to check it anyways to solve the problem. 3 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract 2. Bring down the 7. 3 goes into 27 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27 exactly. Subtract. No remainder. So it goes in 19 times. So can the rows be divided into an equal number of sections? Yes. They can be divided into 3 equal sections or 19 equal sections, because remember it's a fact family. So 19 times 3 is 57. 57 divided by 3 is 19. 57 divided by 19 would be 3. It's a fact family. So yes, it can be divided into 3 equal sections, or I could say yes, they can be divided into 19 equal sections. Either one would be a correct answer. All right, part C. Circus horses eat about 250 pounds of horse food per week. Remember, a week has 7 days in it. I'm estimating here, how many pounds of food does a circus horse eat each day? Explain. Well, it's a division problem again. 250 divided by 7. But again, I want to use, since I'm estimating, I want to use easy numbers. So I'm either going to use 21 or 210, or I'm going to go up and go 280, because I want to go up 7 from 21, because 7 will go into 28 and 7 will go into 21. Now let's ask ourselves which one would be a better estimate. Well, 21 is 4 away from 25 and 28 is 3 away. So this would be a better estimate. 7 goes into 28 4 times. Add my 0. So about how many pounds? About 40 pounds each day. Okay, I could also find the low estimate. That's going to be 30. And so I could even go further and say, well, they're going to eat between 30 and 40 pounds each day, because the actual answer is going to be somewhere in between those two numbers. Okay, the actual answer here is going to be between those two. So again, this is another example, guys, where there's multiple ways to solve the problem. As long as you explain all of your reasoning, explain what you're doing, and as long as those estimates are reasonable estimates. All right, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.